Hey, knowing how to use a tool is one thing. Knowing how to use Copilot is one thing. But knowing how to prompt to get effective result is even more important. You first need to understand how to use the tool, but then you need to understand how to leverage the tool. So here is a good example. If I ask in a Word document to summarize a document because I want to send the document to some people, share it through email, through the chat in a team, wherever, I'd like them to understand before reading this long document what it is about. So if I press summarize this doc, I'm going to have a long summary. So here's what I'm suggesting, and I'll share the prompt in the comment. So I'm going to use this prompt. Summarize this document in 2 sentences. I don't want it to be too long. One starting with what is the purpose of this document, explaining what the purpose of this document is and who is it aimed to. And one starting with what will you learn, explaining what people learn and what are the benefits of reading this document. This prompt, you can try it on whatever document. It's very helpful to me. I hope it will be helpful for you. So here, let's try it here on this document. So instead of having a long summary, I frame the summary to help people to see if it's valuable to read the document that I'm going to share in the email or wherever I am going to share it by giving the what's the benefit for them, and also is it what is it about? Sometimes we receive documents and we're spending too much time on trying to understand or read everything, and at the end we read the long document and we thought it was not really valuable for me. So here's the result. What is the purpose of this document? This document is a blog post that aims to persuade readers to use Microsoft Teams for collaboration and business process automation and to provide some tips and best practices for doing so. What will you learn? By reading this document, you will learn how Teams can help you organize your project, communicate with your Teams members, and integrate various tools and data sources in one place, etc. Let's try it on another document. This is a user guide for Teams owner. So let's use the same prompt and let's see what comes out of it. And I have a third one, and I'm going to use it here. It's a document, a press release from Microsoft on the results. So let's see if it works here too. So, before sending it to somebody, I just want to be sure that it will be valuable for those people. I'm not sure if it's a good question here. Can I multitask in different documents, or does it pause if I leave the document? We'll see. So here, what is the purpose of this document? This document is a user guide for Teams owners who want to create structure and manage their teams in Teams, a collaboration platform for chat, file sharing, and project work. What will you learn? You will learn why Teams is useful, what is Teams, and how to create one, team, how to structure a team with channels, folders, and tabs, how to manage permissions for the team, the channel, and the file level. What are the best practices and etiquette for team owners, and when to use Teams, private channels, or group chat? That's a very good summary. I can see right now if there is some interest from me. The last one, let's see. No, I didn't click on it, so it might be longer because this document has 13 pages, so we'll see what comes out of it. It's actually very difficult to summarize a document in short sentences. Actually, in 2 sentences, I'm not sure if it's going to be able to make this for every document. Sometimes it might be challenging for anybody, but it's the most difficult exercise is, like I said, the sculpture is coming from a big block to hard. So you're deconstructing something to make hard. Here it's the same thing. It's difficult because you need to take a long document and you need to deconstruct it to make it simple and small. So what is the purpose of the document? The purpose of this document is to report the financial results of Microsoft Corporation for the second quarter of fiscal year and highlight that many achievements and challenges of the company in that period. Okay, I understand the purpose. That's good. By reading this document, you will learn about the revenue, operating income, net income, and earnings per share, etc., etc. So it's really a good prompt. I will share the prompt with you in the comment. But I think this prompt you can save it. I'll use it all the time. I put it in my notepad. I wish we could save prompts and reuse them here, maybe here, but maybe it will come in the future. Hope this was insightful.